Welcome to RKL Trading Labs. Today I will show you one of the simplest but most life-changing exercises in trading. Most beginners jump into candlestick analysis, indicators, and fancy strategies. But they fail to do the most basic thing, to visualize where the market is heading. Where is price flowing? What direction is the market attempting to move? This one skill decides everything: trend, price action, entries, exits, confidence, everything. Most beginners fail because they try to understand the market through indicators only. They pile indicators on the chart, they memorize candlestick names, but they never learn to see the movement. After 12 years of trading experience, I can confidently say, your eyes must learn before your strategy learns. There is a beautiful quote by J. Krishnamurti: "Observation is the highest form of intelligence." And in trading, this is absolutely true. Before any strategy, before any setup, you must train your observation. Here is my promise to you. If you practice what I'm about to show for 7 days, your entire view of the market will change. Your observation will sharpen. You will understand trends better, price action better, and every strategy you learn afterwards will suddenly make far more sense. This is the skill the top 90% professional traders mastered. And now it's your turn. Here is the exercise. Open any 5-minute chart, any stock, index, crypto, anything. And for the next 7 days, your only job is to draw trend lines. Not analyze, not predict, not guess the future. Just observe the present structure and draw the trend line of the current trend. How to draw trend lines. Say this as you draw live. Look at how price swings. If price is making higher highs and higher lows, draw your trend line touching the lows. If price is making lower highs and lower lows, draw your trend line touching the highs. If price has no direction, overlapping highs and lows, don't draw anything. Just observe. This is how you learn trend, structure, and flow. In just a few days, you will start noticing how the market breathes, how it turns, when it loses strength, where it accelerates, and when the trend is clean or dangerous. This simple habit gives you trend clarity. Better price action, understanding, cleaner entries and exits, zero indicator confidence, a trader's eye, not a beginner's eye. So here's your challenge. For 7 days, open the 5-minute chart of any stock or index and simply practice drawing trend lines from time to time. Nothing more. This alone will transform your trading foundation. This is RKL Trading Labs. If you practice this for 7 days, your observation and market sense will never be the same again. Comment below if you want a full video on trendline tricks, structure reading, and hidden price action secrets. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more advanced trading insights.